Mr. Ventura, we've been coexisting quite nicely with the native cultures for the past 200 years. They're almost like family at this point.
Are they? It is imperative that we recover the sacred animal. If not, the peaceable Wachatis will assuredly be obliterated. The Wachutus are bloodthirsty. They consider its disappearance both an insult and a curse. Do I have something in my teeth?
Ah, Cadby. Lovely brunch, I must say.
Quinn, I'd like you to meet Ace Ventura. This is Burton Quinn. He owns and operates Quinlan Safari Park.
Most call me Quinn. Say hello, Tinky.
Pleasure, Tinky. Corvus corax, common raven, smartest of all birds. Where are these birds? Excuse me. That's quite a wrap you're wearing. Perhaps I could get you some fluffy new slippers made from the heads of innocent and defenseless baby seals.
Who is this ghastly man?
Ace Ventura, pet detective. And you must be the Monopoly guy. Hey, thanks for the free parking.
Another activist, McGuire.
Activist. Yes.
Activist, yes.
Mr. Ventura, there's nothing wrong with enjoying the fruits of nature. You should try it sometime.
Alrighty then. You know something? You're right. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. La da da da. La da 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 da. Hey. La da.
Do not pass go. Do not collect $200.
It's lovely, but I fancy myself in autumn.
If you've quite finished, Mr. Ventura, we might make for the projection room, Greenwall.
Kooky.